Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going through a quick tutorial on how to connect your WhatsApp to GoHighLevel. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Before getting started, make sure your Stripe account is fully set up on your main agency dashboard. This is important because you'll be reselling WhatsApp to your clients. Here's how it works. Normally, you'll offer your client a specific price to access WhatsApp. For example, if you decide to sell WhatsApp for $20, you'll pay GoHighLevel $10 and earn $10 in profit. Next, go to your list of client sub-accounts and choose the specific one where you want to connect WhatsApp. Once selected, head over to the reselling section and make sure the Offer WhatsApp toggle is enabled. This allows you to resell WhatsApp to that particular sub-account or snapshot. Just like before, you can edit your resell offer here. You also have the option to deploy WhatsApp directly by checking the box to agree to enable WhatsApp for the client without reselling. In this case, you'll be charged out $10 per month. If you want to earn from this and bill the customer directly, be sure to enable SaaS mode and billing. This lets you include WhatsApp in your SaaS package. Now, switch to the selected sub-account to proceed. You'll be taken to the sub-account's dashboard. From there, select Launchpad and look for the option to integrate or connect WhatsApp. Click on Connect. Keep in mind, this is a paid service for your client, so they will need to cover the listed amount to connect their WhatsApp. That wraps up this quick tutorial on connecting WhatsApp to GoHighLevel. If you want to give this a shot yourself, there's a 14-day free trial link for GoHighLevel down below. Feel free to check it out.